In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view other people's calendar in Outlook. If you are using the classic desktop version of Outlook, the process is quick and consistent. Start by opening Outlook and switching into Calendar View. Select Calendar in the navigation bar. Look for the calendar icon near the bottom or on the left side of the window, depending on your layout. Calendar View is where Outlook can display your schedule alongside shared calendars, making it easier to compare availability. With the calendar open, go to the Home tab at the top. In the Manage Calendars group, click the button labeled Add Calendar or Open Calendar, depending on your version of Outlook. Then choose from Address Book. This option tells Outlook you want to connect to a calendar inside your organization's directory rather than adding a blank calendar or one from the web. A window opens with a search box and your address list. Type the person's name to find them. If your organization uses multiple address lists, make sure you are searching the global address list so Outlook can locate the correct account. When you see the right person, select their name and click OK. Outlook adds that person's calendar to the folder list on the left, typically under Shared Calendars, and starts loading it. If the person has a large calendar, allow a moment for the entries to appear. What you can see on their calendar depends on the permissions they've granted. Many organizations allow you to see whether someone is free or busy, and some allow subject and location details. If you only see blocks of time with no details, that's normal and simply reflects the access level set by the calendar owner. If you have broader access, you'll see more information populate in those time slots. A couple of quick context notes to make this smoother. This feature relies on your work or school account and the directory your administrator provides, so you need to be signed in and online. If a search doesn't return a result, confirm you are connected to the correct account and that you are searching the main directory. Also, different Outlook builds use slightly different wording. Add Calendar and Open Calendar lead to the same place here. And From Address Book is the option you want in both cases. If you are using the new Outlook experience, the interface may look different, but the idea is the same. Add from your organization's directory. Once the calendar is added to the sidebar, Outlook remembers it, so you can easily view it again later. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.